For this problem, we're going to find the zeros of a quadratic function. We're going to find the zeros of the quadratic function g of x equals negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. To find the zeros, we need to find where g of x is equal to 0. That means we need negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. When we solve the quadratic equations of this type, we often want to try factoring first because it's often quick and easy. In this particular case, factoring won't work, so we're going to rely on the quadratic formula. To do that, we need to identify the coefficients on the left-hand side. We'll have a is equal to negative 2, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 1. If we plug these into our quadratic formula, we get x is equal to negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4 times negative 2 times 1. And then all of that is over 2 times negative 2. So give us negative 4 plus or minus. If we simplify the radical a little bit, 4 squared is 16. 4 times 2 is 8. The two negatives make a positive, so we'll have 16 plus 8 under the radical. And that's divided by negative 4. So this gives us negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 24 divided by negative 4. We can simplify this radical, as 4 is a perfect square, and that's a factor of 24. We'll end up with x is equal to negative 4 plus or minus 2 root 6, all divided by negative 4. Next, we're going to cancel a common factor of negative 2. So we could factor a negative 2 out of the numerator. We'd have negative 2 times 2 plus or minus the square root of 6. That's our numerator. In the denominator, we could write negative 2 times 2. And cancel the negative 2's then. We'll have x is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 6 divided by 2. Therefore, the zeros will be 2 minus the square root of 6 over 2, and 2 plus the square root of 6 over 2.